Today, we're 3D printing and assembling a sci-fi blaster that requires no supports and no glue. And it is simply 3 parts and it is incredibly satisfying to print and put together. So this is the orientation that all the parts are printed in, and as a result, you'll need no support. Although the bottom part here, maybe you will, there is a couple of bits that could do with some support, but I printed it without. So it depends on your printer, I think, here. And you'll find links to all these free files in the description below. The original designer here has this kind of idea of making modular stuff that is support and glue free, and also potentially like modular parts you can switch in and out. And as you can see here, there's no holes. This is purely a toy to mess around with. And this is what I think makes it really satisfying, because you can put this together and take it apart very quickly and very easily. That I just find myself doing that every so often, and I love it. And the whole thing looks really freaking cool. I'm very happy with this thing. I think the design is great. The modularity is cool. How it all goes together is awesome. And I can't wait to either see more people play around with this kind of idea or the original designer to build far more stuff. And I've actually already checked out one of their additional designs on this channel already, if you want to take a look at it. And I would say this falls into the satisfying as heck category of 3D prints, which I've been noticing I've been falling into more and more. I keep an eye out for them. I keep printing them off and I keep messing around, because assembling and disassembling this feels cool. It actually makes me think that a computer game could take this idea a step further, that in a computer game you could buy these different parts individually and then assemble your custom kind of setup. And I think it would be sweet. So this has definitely sparked off some interest in my head. I think the overall design here is very good as well. And of course, the simple fact that there's no glue and there's no supports makes it incredibly good for people just getting into 3D printing to begin with. This is super simple to print all these parts. And then of course, assembling it is just as easy. So for new printers, I think this is a wonderful 3D model to check out. And of course, it's free, link in the description.